Good morning and welcome to the Shack & First Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. David Powers and I'm here to give you guys a little tip on how to use the stent on very thin ridges. Sometimes the pilot drill can tend to go off to the buccal or lingual into the soft tissue, and I'm going to give you a tip to show you how you can keep that from happening. My patient here has a very thin ridge in this area and we're going to be using a stent to place this. So we're going to place the stent in first and we're going to sound the bone in the area. We're going to mark with the Thompson marking sticks the area of the thin ridge, those two areas right there. Then we're going to take our Explorer and we're going to sound the bone. And you can see this tissue is very loose, but the ridge is right there. The ridge is right there. So in order to put the implant in, I'm going to use my fingers rather than the stent to place it initially. So I'll put the stent back on. I'm going to look at let me have the pilot drill guide, please. I'm going to take a look at the angulation we have here. This does have a little play in it. It can go buccal lingual. So what I want to do is I want to put this in and see the angle that it's going to put me at. I can see that angle, I got an idea. I will remove this and I will actually use my fingers to find the ridge, the center of that ridge, and the angulation that I'm going to make, because that is a very thin ridge. I will then drill between my two fingers, staying inside the buccal lingual plate. I'm going to be using a 2013, MDL 2013 to place those in. If I could have that. Now I'll put the stent back on. I found the pilot hole that I made right in the center, and I place the implant. Okay, I placed that one to place. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to make a pre-pilot hole with the diamond burr. We're going to do the same thing. We marked it with the Thompson marking stick. I'm going to do it again in that same area. I'm going to remove the stent. And then I'm going to sound the bone here. You can see there's a lot of loose tissue. And the ridge is right there, right in between my fingers. It's a very thin area. Put a number 12 burr on there. I use a very small number 12 diamond burr to make my initial pilot hole. That way we have a way to have the pilot drill have a purchase point on the very thin ridge. So I'll take this and I'll just make a small pilot hole for the pilot drill. We'll then take the stent, and I'll take the pilot drill. It's going to see that angulation. Hold that tight. And my pilot drill should go right back into that hole that I made with a diamond. Now to ensure that I'm in complete bone 360 degrees around the pilot drill, I will take my periodontal probe and I'll put it in there and feel around to make sure that I have 360 degrees of bone around it, and I do. Now we're going to place the implant in that hole through the stent. Okay, hold that. We know that that solided bone doesn't move, it's not moving back and forth buccolingual, so we'll place it the rest of the way using the handpiece. Now that's an alternative way to actually place the mini dental implant on a very thin ridge using the guide and also your finger and thumb as the guide for when you make your pilot hole.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Fitz and we're so very happy to have you with us this morning. Classes, we have one left for 2022. It's going to be an advanced mini dental implant course on Thursday, November 17th and November 18th. Dr. Shakin will be doing a full day of live surgery, advanced cases, no less, on the 18th. And then on the 19th, Dr. Samuel Shakin, this is an optional course. Dr. Samuel Shakin will be doing a full day of Botox, teaching dentists on how to inject the masseter muscles to help out with the longevity of the restorations. If you haven't been to a Botox course taught by Dr. Sam Shakin, you have to see it. It's absolutely phenomenal. You either have the option of doing just the didactic portion or hands-on. Hurry up because the hands-on is filling up quick. Give us a call right away and let us know if you'd like to attend that. Then we have our 2023 schedule out. You can see it on our website at shackandfirst.com, or you can call either Kevin, Nick, or myself, and we'll be happy to get you signed up for an upcoming course. We look forward to seeing you in 2023. Dr. Shakin, myself, and our entire sales team is working on these end-of-the-year specials that are going to be coming your way. So stay tuned for those. They're going to be very, very aggressive. So we hope you have an awesome week placing mini dental implants and mono dental implants, and we look forward to seeing you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.